Hello and namaskar dosto, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Anukriti and you're watching IndianMoney.com. Today in this video I'm going to talk about 5 things that you need to know before investing into mutual funds. So let's get started one on one. The first point is, every mutual fund has different risk level associated. There are different type of risk associated to different mutual fund. Always check riskometer before investing into mutual funds. Check that whichever the scheme that you are choosing, how much and what type of risk are being associated to it. Second is, direct plans gives higher return. Expense ratio with regular plans are more as compared to the direct plans. Direct plans have less expense ratio, and because of this there is less annual cost associated to it and it gives high return. Now there might be investors who think that direct plans and regular plans are two different things. So it's not like that. Direct plans and regular plans are the plans of same scheme only. Only the difference is that in direct plans there is less annual cost that is associated. The reason behind is there is no such intermediaries or any commission is involved. Because of this there is low annual cost and high return rate. Third is, you won't get same return every year. So let's suppose if any mutual fund scheme is giving you 8% of interest rate. Now it doesn't mean that it's going to give the same return every year. There can be a case that in the first year it's giving you 10+%, but there can be a case that in the next year it will give you -2%. It can be a case that there is no returns also. So if you're wanting to invest in mutual funds, then always be prepared with the variability involved into the returns of mutual funds. So fourth is, consistency in return is a hallmark of good fund. So consider there is a mutual fund which is giving you 10% return consistently, but on the other hand there is a mutual fund which is giving you 17% of return in the first year, but on the next year it is giving you -2%. Then in this case the first mutual fund would be the better option for you. So always choose consistent mutual funds. Fifth is asset allocation and periodic rebalancing. Never put all your investment into a single bowl. Always divide your investment across your asset classes to reduce your portfolio risk. So before you start investing, always decide that how much you're willing to invest in equities, how much you're willing to invest in debt, or how much you're willing to invest in gold. Always decide it before. So guys, these were the 5 things that you need to know before investing in mutual funds. I hope this video would be informative to you. And if you want to know more about personal finance, career building, business and farming courses, then do download our Financial Freedom app. You will get the link in the description box. And if you want to get 2,000 rupees scholarship, you can use my code ANUKRITI. And if this video was beneficial to you, please like the video. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we come up with a new video.